mamaya medyo malayo pa yung bundok kaya hindi pa siya masyado klaro yung snow. Oh, wow. Grabe. Puti ng snow, guys. Yan na, guys. Oh, tingnan nyo yung mountain. Yan. Nagka-snow na sa, guys. Yan. Yung makikita dun sa Ephrata at sa Salt Lake na mountain. Yan na. May snow na. Yan. Si Kano, afraid daw siya sa snow. Oh my. Ako, hindi ako afraid sa snow. Yan na, guys. Oh. Snow na yan, guys. Kaya pupunta kami doon para lang sa snow. There's a snow there, oh. May love, oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. There's a snow. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
See?
Yes, I seen that. In your place, my love.
See
In
that?
Soap Lake. Yes. There is a snow there. Wow. Nakikita ko ng snow,
See that?
guys.
See that?
Yeah. Yes, yes, my love. Oh, many. Oh, wow. Mayroon na dito, guys, oh, snow.
Alright, now I don't have to go up there.
No.
Cause you see.
No. I'm going to touch.
Oh, you're going to touch it? Let me
Yeah.
stop here again.
And then I'm going to make slide. Ah. See? Oh, wow. Namumuti na. Yan o sa tabi ng kalsada, guys. May snow na. Ayan. Grabe. Ayan o, guys, o. Ayan. Ayan na ang snow sa gilid ng kalsada. There, near there, my love. We will go there.
Super duty.
Oh my! I like there. Oh, oh there, oh my love, oh.
Oh, wow. Wowee.
My love.
Yeah, they got it scooped up.
Walmart, there, oh.
Wow, they got quite a bit of snow here.
Oh,
Wow.
oh, besides of the Walmart, there's a snow.
See.
Yes, I seen that.
See.
Oh.
Wowee.
Grabe, guys. Ayan na, guys, oh. Nagka-snow na sila dito, guys. Nabubuang na ako sa snow na makita.
Oh, yeah?
Ang snow, guys, oh, everywhere na sila. Ayan. Klaro na yung mataas na bundok.
Manok.
Bundok. Wow. Merry Christmas. That's nice. Yes.
See the deers?
Yep. Sexy.
That's their Christmas decoration. The reindeers.
Yes. Aakyat na tayo sa bundok. At makikita ko na yung snow. Yan na. Puro snow na. Kabilaan na, guys. Yes. That's nice. Yes. Laro siya, guys, oh. Wow. Wow. Nice, oh. Wow. Wow. Yan yung nakikita sa malayo kanina. Yan na. Ang bundok. stop there?
Huh?
That's the house. Oh my. Where to stop, my love? Grabe. Ang daming snow. Namumuti na. Yan na guys. Puro snow na oh. Grabe. Namumuti na. Wow. Wow. Ang dami. Grabe. Look at there, oh. My love.
Where?
What is that?
It's snow.
It's a water.
No, it's snow.
Snow. Grabe, guys, oh.
It's on a field.
Oh.
See the
Snow.
lines?
Yeah.
It's on a
Oh.
plowed field.
Oh, wow. Grabe, guys, oh.
Yes, yeah.
Many snow. Oh, wow.
See him over there?
Yeah, that is there.
Yeah, see him way over there?
Oh, my. Where to stop, my love?
Let's get a little closer to those deers.
Oh, wow. They are playing.
Looks like.
Grabe, guys. Wow. Namumuti na. Grabe.
Here they are.
The deer?
Yeah, I see one of them. They're headed up this way. I think it coming up this way. It looks like they're watching us.
Where?
Barely see him.
I can't.
He's
See.
watching you. See?
Yes. Oh. Big, my love.
My 57-year-old child. It's not the first time she's touched the snow, but this much, very, very lot. And she's happy.
Oh my. Yes. Yes. My love. Nice, nice, nice. Yes, guys. Come on, guys. We're going to play. Ay. Grabe. Ah. How many inches? 2? Yes.
That's pretty close to 3.
Yes. Picture, my love. Picture. Oh my.
Owie. Oh my, you want to have a snowball fight, do you?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to drive away. The child.
My.
Oh, yield. Oh my. Did I
Where,
yield?
where to go?
Am I going the right way?
Maybe.
Maybe I'm going further away. Oh my. I should have went the other way.
No, very
We
far.
would have went to Wenatchee.
No, only here.
We would have went to Wenatchee if we would have went the other way.
Oh my.
Down through Palisades. You will like it there
Okay, we will go in.
because it's lots of mountains,
Oh wow.
steep mountains, cliffs.
I want to play slide.
Well, there's a slight place there.
Okay, when we go there, my love.
And go sheer.
Yan na guys, oh grabe. Be careful, my love.
I know, sweetie. I've been on. This is the way that I usually took to go to Wenatchee.
Oh wow. Grabe guys, oh. Puro puti na. Pupunta na kami sa place ni Kano, Soap Lake. Yan.
You know where we're gonna come out at?
Or
The apple orchards.
apple orchards. There's an apple there.
No, not now. Remember
No
where
more.
that woman was thinning the apples and we was talking to her?
Yeah.
Right in there.
Yes. Thank you, Lord, for bringing us here. At last, nakapag-play na ako sa snow. Thank you, my loving husband.
You're welcome, my sweet wife.
I love you.
I love you.
Look, my love, more on snow.
Yes, yes.
Ayan na, guys. Ito yung bundok na nakikita sa place ni Kano. Yan. Kaya madali lang kami makapunta dito. Oh. Grabe. Road trip kami ni Kano. Dahil lang sa snow. Nice. Beautiful experience.
Yes, yes.
This is it. This is it.
This is it. This is
The real snow. Ayan na guys. Oh, beautiful house. Bababa na kami. Hi guys. Mayroon ng snow dito sa place ni Kano. Ayan na guys. So. Go! Sabad nitong mga aso na to. Guys. Nagka-snow na rin dito sa place ni Kano. Kaunti pa lang yung snow dito. At least mayroon na. Ayan na. Ayan. Ayan na. Nagkalat na ang snow dito sa place ni Kano. Guys, oh. Ayan, oh. Wow. Ayan na. Ayan. Ayan na.